Why are you not the banker in your own life? Most people have never even considered that as an option. They assume banking is just something that you participate in as a customer, the same way that you participate in electricity by paying the utility bill. Nelson's entire framework is built on the realization that banking is something that you can perform, not just as something that you consume. So, with that utility example in mind, on page 20 of Becoming Your Own Banker, he talks about the idea of cogeneration, in which the owner of a paper mill company, or a paper mill plant, I should say, makes 125% of the mill's need for electrical power. So what does that plant owner do with the surplus? Well, he sells it. He doesn't erect power lines or hire a sales force and try to sell it to the public. Heavens no, Nelson says. He simply plugs it back into the established infrastructure already put in place by the utility company, and he sells them the power. Well, the same is true for Nelson's concept. Infinite banking, or privatized banking as I like to call it, is a way to systematically accumulate tax-favored capital in a specifically structured, privately owned life insurance contract that you can access when you need it. In a fashion similar to commercial banking, but on terms and benefits much more favorable to you than the institution. Nelson didn't have to start a brick and mortar bank to get the benefit of such a system. He didn't go out and get a bank charter and raise millions in capital holdings and then hire a branding firm to control his banking function. He was able to create his own banking system using dividend-paying whole life insurance by utilizing the established system already in place by the mutual life insurance carrier, which put his money to work with contractual guarantees and the leveraging of that capital through policy loans. All you have to do is understand what is going on in such an insurance plan, and then you just tap into the system the same way.